Hello my dear children, warm welcome to mathematics class. In the previous session we have enjoyed and learnt addition of 5-digit number with and without carrying. In this session we are going to learn exercise 2.1 third main. Solve the following. In the previous session I already explained first problem. In this session I am going to explain second and third and fourth and fifth problem. Now let me see the second problem what they have given. Now you can see here second problem they have given, that is a cooperative milk dairy collects 15,209 litre of milk from farmers. A cooperative milk dairy collects 15,209 litre of milk from farmers in a week. In a week, how many liters of milk they were collected? 15,209 litre of milk collected, and 16,826 litre of milk in the next week they were collected. How many litre of milk was collected from the farmer in 2 weeks? We have to find out how many total litre of milk they were collected from 2 weeks. One more time we will recall question. You can see here they have given a cooperative milk dairy. Milk dairy everyone know. A milk dairy, what they will do? They will collect 15,200 litre of milk from farmers. From farmers they will collect 15,209 litre of milk from 1 week, and in the next week they are collecting 16,826 litre of milk in the next week. We have to find out in the first week and in the second week how many litre of milk they were collected. For example, your father gave for you pocket money. In the first week your father gave for you 10 rupees. In the next week he gave 20 rupees. Now can you calculate total how much amount which you have? Yes. What you will do? You will start addition. In the first week your father given 10 rupees. In the next week your father given 20 rupees. Total how many rupees your father given? 30 rupees. What you did? There you added first week pocket money and second week pocket money. Then you got total pocket money which you have. Now in the same way we will consider this problem. You can see here number of litre of milk collects from farmers in first week. Number of litre of milk collect from farmers in first week. How many liters? 15,209 liters. In next week 16,826 liters. The total number of litre of milk we have to find out. What we have to do? We have to add the numbers. Now we can see how we are going to add. Now 9 plus 6, we know addition already. 9 plus 6 how much? 9 plus 6 is 15. 9 plus 6 is 15. In the 15, 5 we have to write in the place of 1, and we have to write 1 as a carry to the next place, that is 100 place. Now we have to add the numbers in the 100 place. What happens? 2 plus 1, 3. Now 2 plus 8, 10. In the 10, 0 we have to write. In the 100 place, 1 we have to give carry to the 1000 place. Now 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 6, how much you are going to get? 12. 12. 2 we have to write in the 1000 place. 1 we have to give carry to the 10,000 place. Next 1 plus 1 plus 1 becomes 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 becomes what? 3. Therefore total number of litre of milk 32,035. 32,035. 32,035 litre of milk was collected from the farmers in 2 weeks. Total how many number of litre of milk they were collected from 2 weeks? 32,035 litre of milk they were collected. Next problem, you can observe here they have given an Indian cricketer scored. An Indian cricketer scored 14,025 runs in the test cricket matches and 15,759 runs in one day cricket matches. How many runs did the cricketer score in all? We have to, now you can see here they have given third problem, that is Indian cricketer. I hope everyone is watching cricket matches. Who is your best player? I will consider my best player is Dhoni. You think Dhoni is scored 14,025 runs in test cricket match. You know, in the cricket matches they will play two types. One is test cricket match and one day matches. Dhoni scored 14,025 runs in test cricket match and 15,759 runs in one day cricket matches. We have to find out how many total runs he scored in both the matches. What we have to do? For example, you think Rama is a one boy. He is playing cricket. He scored 10 runs in a one day cricket match and 15 runs in test cricket match. Now I will ask total how many runs he scored. What you are going to do? You will add again 10 plus 15. How much? 25. Now you will say total Rama scored 25 runs in both test matches and one day cricket matches. Now in the same way we have to take here also number of runs scored by cricketer in test cricket matches. Number of runs scored by cricketer in the test cricket matches. In the test cricket matches, how many runs he scored? 14,025 runs he scored. In one day cricket match, how many runs he scored? 15,759 runs he scored. What we have to do? We have to add total runs he scored. Now you can see here, if you add means what happens? 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 is 14. In the 14, 4 we have to write in the ones place. 1 we have to give carry to the next place. Now 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. Now 7 plus 0 or 0 plus 7 is 7 only. Now next you can see here 4 plus 5, 9. 1 plus 1, 2. Total how many runs he scored? 29,784 runs he scored. 29,784 runs he scored. Therefore the cricketer score in all. 29,784 runs. I hope everyone got this both the problem. We will move on to fourth problem. Fourth problem, they have given a public library in a city has 17,943 books in Kannada, 14,635 books in Hindi and 10,284 books in English. How many books are there in the library altogether? We have to find out. Now you can see in the question what they have given. There are 17,943 books in Kannada, 14,635 books in Hindi and 10,284 books in English in a library. We have to find out total how many number of books are there in a library. For example, if you consider your books only, if you have 3 books in Kannada, 4 books in Hindi and 5 books in English. If I ask how many total number of books are there with you, what you are going to say? You will start addition. 3 books in Kannada, 4 books in Hindi and 5 books in English. So total you have 12 books with you. In the same way we have to add here also. Now you can see here a public library in a city has number of books in Kannada. How many books are there in Kannada? 17,943 books. In Hindi how many books are there? 14,635 books. In English how many books are there? 10,284 books. We have to find out what the total number of books are together. What we have to do? We have to add. How we are going to add? We have to begin from 1st place onwards. Now you can see here 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. In that 12, 2 we have to write in the place of 1 and 1 we have to give carry to the next place. Then what happens? 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. In the 16, 6 we have to write in the place of 100 and 1 we have to give carry to the next place, that is 100 place. Now you can see here 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. Now 8 we have to write in the place of 100. 1 we have to give carry to the next place. Now 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. That 12, 2 we have to write in the 1000 place. 1 we have to give carry to the next place. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So 42,862 books are there in a library. Therefore the total number of books altogether 42,862 books are there in a library. In the same way we will move on to Fifth problem, they have given in an assembly election, 3 candidates were polled. 32,135 votes, 29,048 votes and 4,951 votes respectively. Find the total number of votes polled. Find the total number of votes polled. Now we have to find out total number of votes polled. For example, if you consider in your class, if we conduct election for your leadership, what happens if Rama, Lakshmana and Sita were participants? Rama has polled 10 votes, Sita has polled 20 votes and Lakshmana has polled 30 votes. If I ask total how many number of votes polled, what you are going to say? Rama has polled 10, Sita has polled 20 and Lakshmana has polled 30. Means total 60 votes are polled. In the same way, we have to consider here also in an assembly election, number of votes polled for first candidate, that is 32,135, second candidate 29,048, third candidate 4,951. Now we have to find out total number of votes polled. So you can see here we have to begin addition from the ones place. What happens here? 5 plus 8. How much 5 plus 8? 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 1 14. 4 we have to write in the ones place. 1 we have to give carry to the 100 place. Now 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 5. Again you are going to get 13. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 5 13. 3 we have to write in the tens place. 1 we have to give carry to the 100 place. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 9 11. 11 we have to write 1 in the place of 100 and 1 we have to give carry to the next place. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 9 12. 12 plus 4 16 are going to get. In the 16 6 we have to write in the place of 1000. 1 we have to give carry to the next place. So 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 2 6. Therefore 66,134 votes are polled. Therefore the total number of votes polled 66,134 votes. I hope everybody is enjoyed in this session. In the next section we are going to discuss about subtraction. Thank you children.